Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best RJ45 connector on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Ugreen NW114 RJ45 connector, showing why it's perfect for fast and stable network connections. Let's get started. Product features: high-speed network performance, supports up to 1 gigabit per second, ensuring fast and stable network connectivity for both home and industrial setups. Cat6 and Cat7 compatibility. Works seamlessly with Cat6 and Cat7 Ethernet cables, offering flexibility across different environments. Pure copper-plated tentacles. Ensure strong signal transmission, high-speed performance, and minimal data loss for reliable connectivity. 8 precise connection pins. Guarantees stable signal transfer without lag or interruptions, maintaining network integrity at all times. Flame-retardant ABS casing. Durable and safe design protects the connector from environmental factors and enhances longevity. 3-layer shielding. Minimizes electromagnetic interference, supporting stable signal transmission and consistent network speeds. Snap-in mechanism. Secure, tight fit prevents loosening during use, ensuring the connector stays in place without extra tools. Plug-and-play design. Easy installation with no additional setup required. Simply plug in and enjoy reliable connectivity immediately. Durable and reliable. Combines premium materials and precise engineering to provide a long-lasting, high-performance network solution. Pros: supports up to 1 gigabit per second for fast network speeds. Compatible with Cat6 and Cat7 cables. Pure copper-plated pins for strong signal. Flame-retardant ABS casing for durability. 3-layer shielding reduces interference. Snap-in and plug-and-play design for easy installation. Suitable for home, office, and industrial networks. Cons: only compatible with Cat6 and Cat7 cables, not lower categories. Not intended for outdoor use without proper protection. Final thoughts: the Ugreen NW114 RJ45 connector is a high-quality, reliable solution for anyone needing fast and stable network connections. Its durable construction, precise engineering, and easy installation make it a must-have for home, office, or industrial setups. Stay connected with speed and reliability. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product, and like this video to keep up with the latest tech solutions.